The team is available all the time. You guys work so hard. It's been really seamless and just as good, I think, as working with an onshore agency. So I can't see us going back after having the experience working with you guys. Hi, I'm Charlotte. I'm the president of Makesy. We are a DIY arts and crafts business located in Texas, United States. I found Codilar through just my own online searches. I was looking into different agencies that we could utilize for web development, web maintenance, UX, and design, and came across Codilar and was just super impressed from the very beginning of my communications with the company in responsiveness, knowledge, and overall level of service. So at first, I was before we started working together, I was skeptical of working with an overseas agency because I was concerned about availability, any communication barriers, and Codilar has definitely squashed all of those concerns. The team is available all the time. You guys work so hard. So that's been really great. Communication is excellent. We're always getting updates. You guys are proactive in communicating with us and giving us project updates. So it's been really seamless and just as good, I think, as working with an onshore agency. I think it's extremely competitive. When we were researching which agency we wanted to move forward with, obviously cost was a factor for us. We just get so much more for our spend with Codilar. So I can't see us going back after having the experience working with you guys. I would highly recommend Codilar. Like I said previously, the service level, the work output, the responsiveness, everything has been really on point. Everyone we work with is super professional, super attentive to us, and just overall great people to work with. So I would highly recommend to anyone who's looking for any sort of web services, Codilar would be at the top of my list.